I was struggling with alcohol. It was suggested by my family that I attend a recovery program. And I found Lasting Change in Hagerstown, Maryland. I felt like I kind of had lost my own self. And Lasting Change brought that all back.
Right from day one, Lasting Change is thinking about how can I help them stay sober. We designed a course that is 10 weeks long. Every single week they attend the class, and the class covers topics from how to do a job search, how to be professional. One of the final things we do is help them with a resume, and then we do mock interviews to help them practice and get ready for interviews.
The mock interview was absolutely wonderful because she asked me questions I haven't been asked in years. I needed it. I'm an anesthesiology tech. Here at the Career Development Program builds your confidence back and makes you aware that I still remember things. I met the challenge and I said, I can do this again. My life would not be what it is without Lasting Change. And that's a bold understatement.